Welcome to your HSuite Wallet. In this video, we will walk through how to create your wallet and get started with the next generation of digital finance. Let's begin. When you first open the HSuite Wallet, select Get Started. On the next screen, you will see the option to create a new wallet. Select Create New Wallet to begin the setup process. Set your wallet password. Next, you will be presented with your backup recovery phrase. This is one of the most important parts of your wallet setup. Your backup recovery phrase gives you access to your wallet, accounts, and digital assets. Make sure to store it securely, keep it private, never share it with anyone. Once you have safely stored your recovery phrase, you will have the option to enable biometric or skip. Now your wallet setup is complete. You now have access to the HSuite Wallet and HSuite Native Connect infrastructure. The next step is to set up your accounts. Select Get Started. Select the network and either mainnet or testnet. Next, select Derive New Account and provide a name for the account so that you can identify it easily. Congratulations, you have created your first account. Once you have created your account, you will need to activate it. For testnet accounts on Hedera, you can use the Hedera Faucet. You will need to enter your wallet address. Copy the address from your account details and enter it. Once the process is complete, go back to your wallet and refresh the page. Your account is now activated. Note your new account ID. Register your public key. Your account is now activated and funded. You are ready. Thank you for starting your journey with the HSuite Wallet. We will add more tutorials on the wallet features soon. Stay tuned.